So we have actually already answered this question in one of the previous videos, but I just want to make sure that you truly understand the concept of retargeting. So let's just do a short recap and just take a look again at why retargeting is so effective. Now, so what retargeting is doing is to re-engage with people who are already familiar with your brand and with people who demonstrated some interest in your brand, in your product, or in your services, okay? This is really powerful. These people already know you. And these are the people who will most likely become your customers. Or these are the people who will most likely opt into your email list or read a different or a new piece of content, a new article. That's why it's so valuable and so important to focus on these people, to re-engage with them, to reach out to them and say like, hey, stop. You were about to purchase my product. Why haven't you done it? Do it now. Here is a discount. Hey, you didn't opt into my email list. Stop. Reconsider. Take the chance, take the opportunity to opt in now. This is really, really powerful, and you can get really specific with retargeting. So let's take a look at a few examples. For example, you can retarget people who have visited your website, your domain. You can tell them, hey, you've been on my website, become my fan. Or you can reach out to people who have visited a very specific web page, a very specific article, or a very specific product on your website. I don't care what it is. So you can really drill down and just make sure to reach out to people who have visited a very specific section of your website. Or you can just go for keywords in your URL. You could just say like, okay, I want to retarget people who've been on a specific website or web page that had the keyword checkout or Facebook marketing in the URL, which is great. There are lots of use cases for that. Or you can say, I want to retarget people and reach out to people who have been on the web page A, but not on the web page B. This is very, very useful if you're building sales funnels or if you're having an online shop. So you can say, hey, I want to reach out to people who have actually seen that offer, but also reach out to them who didn't make it to the checkout yet. Okay? This way you can avoid that you actually reach out to people who have seen your offer and people who have actually purchased your product. So you can actually exclude the buyers and just retarget those who didn't make it through the entire sales cycle. So these are the 4 main features that you can use on Facebook. We will take a look at these 4 specific sections later down the road. But as you can see, there are many different use cases of retargeting. It's not only like that you can reach out to people who have been on your domain, on your website. No, you can get more specific than that. You can reach out to people who have been on a very specific web page or visited websites with a very specific set of URLs, of keywords in the URL, or you can reach out to people who have visited web page A but not web page B. Lots of great examples that we will take a look at how to make sure that you apply these strategies, these features. There are really lots of options how you can play around with these key features, but I can only tell you I'm absolutely in love with retargeting, and I'll show you some really great ways how you can apply retargeting and make sure that you scale your business right away.